Okay children, now we have to know how to application, that is writing application. Now we learnt already capital font, small letter and split letters and cursive. And children, these all kind of fonts and writing style that is very useful to you in various situational format. That is, while you write the cursive capital, already we learned cursive capital. The previous day class we learned that wherever it need, you may use that in your project work. That is assignment front sheet, okay, and composition note front page and project notebooks. You have to make it the first page, make it very pretty and beautiful. You have to choose that font. Okay, I will show you one more example, that is for cursive capital. Remember that letter children, that is cursive capital. I have to write assignment on English. Okay, take one example, assignment on English. Okay, first listen here, that is A, this is a cursive A. Okay, then apply the split writing. Okay, split writing, assignment. Okay, on, assignment on. So cursive O, cursive capital O and split N. Okay, assignment on English. Okay, whatever your subject, your favorite subject or anything in your project or assignment sheet, assignment, this is the cursive capital and this one is the cursive capital. All these is the split handwriting format and English. So cursive E. So this is a cursive E. We learnt already. And split N, G, L, I, S, H. Okay, assignment on English. So this way you have to decorate your front page sheet. One more thing, there is another assignment on, okay, cursive A. Okay, choose, this is a split format writing. Here you have to choose cursive writing pattern. Okay, already we learned, that is A, S, S, I, G, N, M, E, N, T. Okay, assignment. And next one is on, that is cursive O, cursive capital O and N, that is the cursive N. Assignment on, okay, maths, mathematics or maths. So first cursive capital M, remember that. Okay, mathematics. So cursive M-A-T-H-E and M, okay, T-I-C-S. So this is a way to decorate your or lovely manner on your project assignment notebooks. It is one example and this one is another way of writing. This is a cursive capital with split, cursive capital with cursive. Okay, understand children? Practice it. Okay children, next application of our writing skill, that is in your test notebook. Okay, it's a very important mark scoring project. That is, so your it promotes your scores in your test, okay, test examination paper or in your classwork test note. So while you are writing in your test notebook, first you have to observe it, your test number and enrollment number, and remember that one more thing, that's the headings of your question paper or copying from your blackboard or green board, and side numbering and headings, that is bulleting your test paper. Remember that some important rules and you have to follow this. This promote your marks very high. Okay, listen, that is first in your test notebook. First you entry the left hand side, that's a note paper, that is two sides, one paper and another. You have to the legible, you have to write the numbers legibly, okay, because that numbers and put a comma or full stop or any comma, you have to write it. First test number, that is test in your test note, that is your test number. For example, this is a science test, your class, so science test number 1, so you have to, or 3, third test, so you have to write the number test number 3. Okay, then next the subject name. So all subject common test note in your class, so the subject name, okay, you should choose here the capital font. All your subject name or month name or days name, that should be starts the capital font. So here this is a science test, so S, it should be capital, always it should be capital. Next one is split or cursive. Write neatly. First impression is the best impression. It's a very much popular proverb. So your first page and front page of your test note or examination paper, it reveals your personality, that improves your mark scoring. So the teacher first have seen this first page, that promotes your personality, good personality. Teachers thought that okay, this is good, so this whether it may boy or girl, this student will do this exam well, and did it. She thought she did well, and it automatically improves your marks. That's a secret way and very simple way. So you have to enter your first page in your test note, that is legible. So test numbers and subject and the topics in your project note or test note, that is topic in your test, that is T. If any kind of your topics, you should start with capital. Let's remember that topic, followed by split, that is very clear, it brings your handwriting very clarity. So and topic, that is water cycle, I think so, is it the science application, okay. So the water cycle, so start with the first letter again, it should be capital, and water cycle. Next thing also cycle is a C is a capital form, children, and this is way. Okay, so this one, and final score in your test, SC should be starting as a capital and followed by split writing. Okay, score, this is out of 10, I think so. So this is a way of your writing your marks, that is after correction your teachers completed your test paper, then again you have to enter it here. This is a way of your test notebook presentation, that is front page of your test note. Okay. Children, our next application of writing application, this next to our examination paper. That's our most need and need of our cursive writing and handwriting practice class. is how to score high marks. All parents also very much interested for that result. For some of the children may improve, and adult persons, some also they took some effort for improving their handwriting. That's of those people hobby. That's make it them to make it their handwriting more legible, and it's a hobby like subject. But most of the children practice this. The parents always expect this for scoring high marks. So that's the way how to write in your examination paper. I already told the first impression is the best impression. So your front page fill-ups of your details, that your name, roll number, date, subject, okay, and start your answer script followed by this headings also. That is very important in your mark scoring. So now we have to see that in your examination paper, first yours name or enrollment. Name is avoided in summer, the board exams, anything else. But first start with the date. Okay, today's date. Or so this format is in your question paper or examination is printed form. So you have to fill this one, this kind term. This is already printed format in your question paper or examination paper. You have to fill it in the box. Okay. So date, that is today's date, anything, that is numbering. So legible writing of 1, 8. Okay. Next 6. This is a month 6 and small hyphen, and the year 2020. This is we learned the number format. So correct spacing and fill it with this manner. So date, you have to write clear, don't strike out and overlap, avoiding overlap of one number with another. This is your major examination paper written format. So write it carefully, and parents also, it's one more tip for your children before they are entering into the board exams. I think there's a board exams at various countries, that is I think so at 6th standard also they wrote for board exams. So you have to practice your children before entering into their board exams in a normal way of exam sheet, unruled sheet or ruled sheets. Okay, whatever anything else, you have to practice them how to write legible. Okay, please guide them to before they are entering into the board exam. So that is make it a very legible format of writing. Okay, date. Next one is enrollment number. Yours class, your number. That is, this is also in the printed format in your examination paper. That is enrollment. Okay, number. Okay, you have the 6-digit number, anything, that is 9, okay, 4 and 6 and 5, 7, 2, anything. So make it clearly, avoid overlapping of numbers, and it should be legible. Okay, then enrollment number, date and subject name or subject code also. In some exams you used number code, examination code or subject name. Here you have to write this exam, that is social or geography. Okay, so starting should be always capital, and next one is split writing. This way of while you fill up this kind of application or any formal application forms, you have to choose this split and capital only. Don't avoid choosing cursive because it makes your handwriting illegible and make someone, while you read this, it may confuse to others. So choose always this. Okay. So date, enrollment number and subject. Okay. This is the way of your examination front sheet, enrollment, date, subjects. Okay. And one more thing, yours remarks. In your project or any other assignment, that is remarks, your teacher made it here to the grade level. Okay, that's your teacher's job. That is a printout or writing format, A or that kind of grading. So listen the alphabets with numbers. How to write, combine both this format and the split and capital letter usage of this method application.